Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to discuss in detail about sentence with its types. What is sentence and how many types it has. The common definition, C means here common, D it means definition. Common definition which people mostly say about sentence is the combination of words which give clear meaning is called sentence. A group of words which are in arranged form and gives a specific meaning and clear meaning without any mistake or without any confusion, that sentence is called a sentence. At detailed definition, this word sentence is derived from the Latin word sententia, which means thoughts or opinion. Look, starting first short and succinct line shows that this word sentence, ये लफ्ज़ है जुमला, is derived from the Latin word. लातीनी लफ्ज़ लातीनी ज़ुबान से लिया गया है, निकाला गया है, लिया गया है, and that one Latin word is sententia. Sententia word means thoughts, ख्यालात and opinion or right. The word sentence is derived from the Latin word sententia, which means thoughts or opinion. It is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate and has a complete sense. ये एक अल्फाज का मजमूआ है, एक ग्रुप है जो कि रखता है क्या, एक सब्जेक्ट और एक प्रेडिकेट. किसी भी कंप्लीट सेंस वाले सेंटेंस में इन दो अल्फाज का, इन दो वर्ड्स का होना ज़रूरी है. It should be added a subject in a sentence as well as predicate. If we add just a subject in a sentence and not adding predicate, it will not give us exact and complete sense of the sentence. What we want to say to others, no one will clearly understand. So it is important that you have to add a subject with predicate. Look, you have an example. Hania comes. Hania is a subject, and after subject, if we have one word, two word, three word, whatever we have in sentence after subject, this entire word will be called as a predicate. Now here we have two things about word comes. Comes is a verb of present indefinite form, in first form and present indefinite. It shows the present indefinite sentence structure, and this one verb, it is a first form of the verb. It is verb as well as it is predicate, because after subject we have written this. After that I am going to discuss you about the kinds of sentence. There are countable kinds of sentence. First one is declarative or assertive sentence. Declarative mean to declare about what you want to say. Declarative and assertive sentence has a definition, and it is that it is a sentence in which we state something. It can be positive or negative. We can say something in negative or positive, and that one sentence will be declared sentence to tell something about someone or something. किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बताना, किसी इंसान के मतलब बताना, उसकी एक्टिविटी या उसकी प्रेजेंस या उसकी ऑक्यूपेशन, कुछ भी जो सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड हो, देन वी एंड सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड भी हो और साथ साथ उसको एक ऑनर दे या एक उसके मतलब कोई बात बयान करे या स्टेटमेंट दे या कुछ ऐसा जो सब्जेक्ट के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हो. It is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Declarative is a short form. It has a short form, and that one is declare. Declare means to declare something about someone. So I am declaring here example about my own self. I study at Dominion. I study about women's. Look, P here, it is a short form of positive word, and D is the short form of declarative, and S is the short form of sentence. So positive declarative sentence it could be, and it also could be a negative declarative sentence, and means negative. Second one type of the sentence is interrogative sentence. It is used to ask WH questions. WH question mean where, why, whom, what, who, whose, when. Look, I have a sentence for all of you. Such as means, for example, what do you do? आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? Look, I have mentioned WH question in a sentence, which means it is showing the interrogative sentence. It is showing the type of the sentence, and that one type is interrogative sentence. Second one, third type of the sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It is used to show the following. I have written some points here, and these are points to show imperative sentences. First one is advice, second one is warning, third one is order, fourth one is direction, five one is an invitation, and the last one is route. These all are the points to show that when we add this type of sentence based on these are points called imperative sentence. Advice means advice, you can say a sentence about advice. Respect the elders. This is a advice, and when you show advice, or when you say someone any type of advice, to give advice to anyone, then you can say that sentence is called imperative sentence. Respect the elders. Warning, don't play with animals. Warning means to aware someone about dangerous thing. वार्निंग, डोंट प्ले विथ एनिमल्स, जानवरों के साथ नहीं खेलें. तो दिस इज़ अ वार्निंग बिकॉज इट विल बी डेंजरस इफ़ यू विल प्ले विद एनिमल्स. सो this type of sentence is also called imperative sentence. Order, bring me a glass of water. You can order any type of you desire to others. If I say that go and give the lecture about that one topic, it means I am ordering someone to do something. So order is also imperative sentence, imperative condition. Bring me a glass of water, it is an imperative sentence. Direction, it shows direction of any way, any place that I am giving you a simple English example. Walk straight and turn right. सीधे चलें and then सीधे मुड़ साइड दूसरी तरफ सीधा मुड़ जाएं. So walk straight and turn right. I am telling to someone direction about any place. So direction is also an imperative sentence. Invitation, to invite someone. It is a simple and clean example in front of you that you can see. Have lunch with us. चलिए हमारे साथ लंच करें. It means I am inviting someone to join us. So this is also imperative sentence. The last one is of imperative sentence example. Rudeness. Rudeness means to show some salty and upset condition, and show angriness. Angry for mood, or angriness mood you can say. So this is the best example to show the rudeness of the any person with anyone. This is rudeness example is shut up. Or you can say that accept this. Second one sentence will be leave me alone, don't talk to me. Like this, in those sentences which we show our rudeness or our upset condition, that one condition shows imperative sentence, imperative condition. Fourth type of the sentence is optative sentence. It is used to show wish or prayer when we give wishes to others, or when we pray for others, then we use optative sentence. Mean, for example, God bless you. अल्लाह आप पर अपनी रहमत करे. So it is a prayer for someone. So it is showing optative sentence. It is showing optative prayer for someone. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence has a mark like this. Look, it has a common definition. It is clear definition, and that one is it is used to show emotions or surprise. When you see anything unique or anything special, then you get surprise. And when you see anything, any emotional condition or an upset condition, then you also use emotion. If you use emotional sentence or feel emotionally about anything, about any other person. Example is here, how beautiful his car is. उसकी कार, उसकी गाड़ी कितनी ज़्यादा प्यारी है. This is the best example to show the emotions and surprise both. When I say something which makes me astonished, then we say, oh, how much it is looking nice, how much it is looking awful. We can say negative as well as and positive as well as, according to the condition, according to the thing or person. So I hope you all understood my lecture. Kindly subscribe this my channel and share with all your active applications, share with all your friends as well. It is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.